Renal diet, managing sodium intake is crucial to maintain a healthy fluid balance, as excessive sodium can cause fluid retention, leading to discomfort, edema, and even heart failure in severe cases. Sodium regulation plays a key role in kidney health, particularly in controlling blood pressure and preventing complications related to fluid buildup. However, following a low-sodium diet doesn't mean meals need to be bland. There are many delicious and nutritious breakfast options that can help you start your day without compromising your health. By learning how to season foods without salt, you can enjoy flavorful, low-sodium meals that support kidney function and well-being. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of RenalDietHQ.com. I specialize in helping people just like you improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit RenalDietHQ.com today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle. What foods are best for breakfast? For a renal-friendly breakfast, it's important to choose high-protein, low-sodium options. Whole grains like oatmeal, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are excellent choices that provide essential nutrients while being gentle on the kidneys. Vegetable-based dishes such as egg-free frittatas or veggie-packed scrambles can also make for nutritious and flavorful start to the day. Egg-based dishes like poached or boiled eggs are another great source of protein and can be included in a renal diet. For variety, you can try making an arugula frittata, which offers a tasty and kidney-friendly option for breakfast. These meal ideas support both kidney health and overall nutrition. High-protein breakfast is crucial, especially for those with kidney conditions, as incorporating high-protein foods can provide a nutritious start to the day. For individuals on dialysis or pre-dialysis CKD, it's important to ensure adequate protein intake. Options like Greek yogurt, which offers prebiotics for gut health, and protein-rich smoothies or nut butters can help meet protein needs while still being enjoyable. Greek omelets are also another excellent choice as they are low in sodium, rich in protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, and can be customized with vegetables to suit personal tastes. Combining these high-protein items creates a flavorful, kidney-friendly breakfast that supports both nutrition and dietary restrictions. Low-sodium breakfast options like tofu scramble or chia seed pudding provide flavorful meals without exceeding sodium intake. Oatmeal with sugar-free jams or peanut butter toast are also great choices, offering both taste and protein to support a healthy start to the day. These meals are particularly beneficial for individuals following a renal diet. With time, maintaining a low-sodium renal diet becomes easier and there's no need to sacrifice flavor. By combining these healthy ingredients, you can enjoy nutritious, kidney-friendly breakfasts that are both satisfying and full of flavor. To select lower sodium breakfast items for a renal diet, it's crucial to read nutrition labels carefully. Pay attention to the sodium content per serving and check the serving size to help calculate how much sodium you're consuming. Additionally, examine the ingredients list for additives like MSG or monosodium glutamate that may contribute to sodium intake. Opting for foods labeled as low sodium or no added salt can also guide you toward healthier choices, but you still need to read the labels. Incorporating foods like oatmeal, egg whites, and fresh fruits and vegetables is a good start. You can also choose low-sodium versions of traditional breakfast items like bacon, deli meats, and cheeses. By understanding label terminology and learning how to season food without salt, you can confidently select breakfast options that support your renal diet and overall health. To find low-sodium breakfast alternatives, consider using dairy substitutes like almond or oat milk, which provide a sodium-friendly start to your day. Meatless meals such as tofu scrambles are also great options, offering protein without added salt. These alternatives allow you to enjoy a variety of flavors while keeping sodium levels in check. For added flavor without the sodium, try using herbal seasonings instead of table salt. If you prefer something sweet, there are plenty of sugar-free breakfast options available. Just be sure to check the labels for sodium content. By using these tips, you can enjoy nutritious, low-sodium breakfasts that are both healthy and flavorful. Eggs, including scrambled eggs, egg whites, and omelets, are excellent options for a renal diet for breakfast. Scrambled eggs can be made healthier by using egg substitutes like tofu or chickpea flour and adding herbs, spices, and vegetables to reduce sodium intake. Egg whites are a lighter choice, providing high protein without cholesterol or excess sodium, making them ideal for people with CKD. They can be incorporated into various dishes like poached eggs, egg salad, or scrambled with veggies for a nutritious meal. Omelets are another versatile option for those following a kidney-friendly diet. They can be customized with low-sodium vegetables, herbs, and dairy alternatives like nutritional yeast or vegan cheese, making them both protein-rich and flavorful. Whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, omelets provide an easy and quick meal that can be tailored to meet dietary needs while avoiding excess sodium. These egg-based dishes offer a satisfying way to enjoy protein-packed meals without compromising kidney health. Hot cereals such as steel-cut oats and bran cereal are excellent low-sodium breakfast options that provide long-lasting energy to fuel your day. Whole grains are filling, helping to keep you satisfied until your next meal, and they offer essential nutrients without the need for added salt. However, it's important to keep track of serving sizes, as these cereals may contain about 200 to 2,500 milligrams of sodium per serving, contributing to your daily sodium allotment. To enhance the flavor of your hot cereals, try adding healthy toppings like sliced apples or blueberries for a burst of natural sweetness and nutrition. With proper portion control, hot cereals can be a wholesome, kidney-friendly breakfast that keeps you full and energized while fitting into your low-sodium dietary needs. Fruit and nut bars are also excellent low-sodium, protein-rich snack option for those on a renal diet. These bars come in various varieties, including nut-free and vegan options made with organic ingredients. Popular choices like Kind fruit and nut bar, almond and coconut, Lara bar, peanut butter chocolate chip, and Go Macro bar protein pleasure provide a mix of healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients. These bars are not only delicious, but also support a kidney-friendly diet with their combination of nutritious ingredients. With many options available, it's easy to find a fruit and nut bar that meets dietary needs while maintaining a low sodium intake. Muffins, oatmeal, and yogurt parfaits are great low sodium breakfast options for those on a kidney diet. Vegan muffin recipes provide a source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber without excess sodium, making them a tasty and nutritious choice. Oatmeal is another excellent option, packed with essential minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium that support kidney function. It's a comforting and nourishing breakfast to start the day. Yogurt parfaits are also a wonderful choice, offering potassium from yogurt along with fruit toppings and nut butter for a balanced meal. These three options provide essential nutrients without going overboard on sodium, making them perfect for anyone on a kidney-friendly diet. With ingredients readily available, you can enjoy these breakfasts every day. Cold cereals offer a variety of low-sodium options for those on a renal diet, providing a tasty and nutritious way to start the day. Some creative ideas include making your own protein-rich granola with rolled oats, nuts, and seeds, topped with fresh fruit like blueberries. Savory porridge can be made by replacing sugar with herbs and spices such as turmeric and cumin, and adding vegetables like mushrooms and spinach. Overnight oats are another great choice, soaked in almond milk and topped with fruits and nut butter for a wholesome meal. Smoothie bowls are another fun way to enjoy cold cereals by blending frozen fruits with Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and spirulina, then topping with crunchy ingredients like cacao nibs or shredded coconut. These breakfast options are delicious, nutritious, and customizable, allowing you to stick to a renal diet while still enjoying flavorful meals. If you have any questions, consulting a CKD dietitian can help you tailor your choices to your dietary needs. Following a low-sodium kidney diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor, especially at breakfast. Classic favorites like waffles and pancakes can be easily modified for renal health. For a quick and healthy option, poached eggs over waffle bites made with egg whites and wheat flour provide a satisfying meal with just 66 milligrams of sodium per serving. You can also enjoy low-sodium pancakes by mixing flour, baking powder, sugar, egg, milk, and a salt substitute topped with pure maple syrup. For a sweet yet savory option, try yogurt parfait topped with homemade granola clusters, which takes only about 5 minutes to prepare. Another fun twist on breakfast is banana bread French toast, which swaps traditional bread for the added nutrition of bananas. Obviously, if you want a low potassium diet, you wouldn't do that. These recipes provide easy to enjoy flavorful meals while staying mindful of sodium intake, allowing you to savor every bite guilt-free. You can still enjoy flavorful breakfast while cutting down on salt by using herbs and spices as alternatives. Herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary, along with spices such as garlic powder or cumin, can bring a burst of flavor without adding sodium. Additionally, opting for reduced sodium condiments instead of regular versions allows you to maintain taste without the extra salt. Start your day with unsalted breakfast items like oatmeal or eggs, which naturally have lower sodium content, By making simple swaps and being mindful of your choices, you can significantly reduce your sodium intake and maintain a balanced diet. Taking the time to learn how to reduce sodium in common foods like canned soups will also help make healthier eating easier. Starting your day with a savory yogurt parfait made with homemade granola and a dairy-free milk is a great way to enjoy a low-sodium breakfast. You can enhance the flavor with fresh fruits, crunchy nuts, and other ingredients that don't require salt, making for a nutritious and delicious meal. For breakfast wraps, skip the salty condiments and processed foods by using herbs and spices like garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and oregano. These natural seasonings add depth of flavor while providing essential vitamins and minerals, all with minimal sodium content. These simple swaps help create healthy, flavorful breakfasts that support your dietary goals. To reduce salt in your breakfast, consider using reduced sodium condiments. Instead of store-bought sauces and dressings packed with sodium, try healthier alternatives like olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, or hummus. These options not only cut down on sodium, but also offer a variety of flavors for your meals. For extra nutrition and crunch, adding fresh veggies or nuts to your breakfast wraps instead of relying on salty condiments. A renal diet helps ensure you're getting the right nutrients while avoiding foods high in sodium, contributing to overall health and wellness. Starting your day with a delicious, low-sodium breakfast is an enjoyable way to stick to your dietary goals. With a bit of planning, you can easily find breakfast options that align with your renal diet and provide essential nutrition. Being on a low-sodium diet doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or your favorite foods. Simple modifications can help you create a healthy, balanced breakfast. Thanks for joining me today.